Lumpy skin disease, LSD, has caused the death of 45 cattle across the state till June 12th, according to official figures. Speaking to reporters on Tuesday, Assistant Director, Disease Investigation, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, Dr. P. Blawar, said that the number of new cases of cattle affected by LSD has come down drastically in the past 3 days. Dr. Blawar, however, maintained that there still remains the need to unearth why there are a large number of cattle deaths related to LSD reported from West Jaintia Hills. When asked about the African swine fever, he said that the AH and Veterinary Department has not received any report of deaths of pigs from any parts of the state since June 2nd. Dr. Blawar urged the general public not to panic since LSD and ASF diseases are not zoonotic diseases and cannot be transmitted from animals to humans.
10% hijab. Dengan terkenal nanti berkenya panik, larang tweet ia kapor bobyang, kini masih kilapan jam. Bat na kini masih kibayap ru, kini maongai fi kibayap kumba sok santli enai, bona ki kidei kini masih loan. Bapo ka saubnai karta.
Chairman cum Managing Director of